Welcome back to Halftime Report on CNBC-TV18. Now we're going to be shifting the focus on the commodity space, and Manisha is at the wall to focus on metals today. Manisha, over to you.
Thank you for that. Well, yes, I'm looking at metals because we've seen overnight gains come in for this one, and various time zones actually have seen buying on those dips as well. I want to start with copper because we've seen 2.5% of gains in the overnight market. And with that, for this year, we've seen copper prices gain up by nearly 5% therein. It's a divided fundamentals there. On one side, you have the global exchanges looking at higher inventories therein. But on the other side, it also is about the refined copper production growth estimates for 2026 being trimmed down to nearly 2.2% versus earlier estimates of 2.8%. Along with this, the average copper ore grades have continued to decline as well by 2 to 3% per annum, constantly supporting the prices there. The other one on my screen is zinc prices on LME have seen a near 3-year highs coming in for that market. $3,400 a ton is back for this one, and we've seen prices gain up by 10% in this year, outperforming the overall base metal and ferrous metal segment as well. Well, here as well, you're looking at refined zinc production down by 2% in 2025, and output in smelters like Kazakhstan and Japan also are facing some curbs there. Take a look at the zinc treatment charges, and that also has seen a decline. Last year was $230, this year $105 a thousand tons. So that is what is bothering the markets. But the outperformance in the overnight market clearly has come in from nickel. 2% of gains overnight for that one, up 7.5% for this year. And when you look at the last 2 months, we've seen 20% of gains come in for nickel. The latest has been from Indonesia, which, by the way, is 65% of the overall nickel market in the world. And they are now going out, looking at some curbs, have directed some output cuts as well by the government coming in. There also has been a lot of speculative buying that we've seen in case of nickel. And then it also has been about concerns on geopolitical tensions being heightened, with that part also supporting the prices therein. Indonesia production quota, when you look at that, has seen a decline. 2025 was 379 million tons. 2026 estimates are 260 to 270 million tons. So a sharp decline onto that one. The demand in the meanwhile from AI and steel segment is expected to continue to grow, and that could be supportive for those prices.